If you're looking for the best conditioners for African American hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Cantilever Conditioning Cream. The Cantilever Conditioning Cream is infused with the goodness of shea butter. It has been carefully formulated for natural hair. It repairs damage and minimizes further breakage. It also reduces flyaways and frizz. This leave-in cream penetrates and conditions the hair follicles and gives your tresses a silky smooth shine. It is among the best leave-in conditioners for ethnic hair. It leaves your hair manageable and soft as it contains no harsh ingredients. The conditioner is free of parabens, sulfates, silicones, mineral oil, gluten, phthalates, paraffin, and propylene. Apply a liberal amount of this conditioning cream to the ends of your damp hair and slowly move towards the roots. Comb through to evenly distribute the cream. Do not wash off. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Kinky-Curly Not Today Leave-In Conditioner. The Kinky-Curly Not Today Leave-In Conditioner smooths the hair cuticles and detangles hair. It works best for curly, thick hair. It removes snarls and knots with ease. This cream can be used as a regular rinse-out conditioner for wavy hair and as a leave-in conditioner for curly, dense hair. This product is formulated without any harsh chemicals. This herbal blend has a natural fragrance. It is a great formula to use after removing your tight extensions and braids. It helps unwrinkle your hair. Apply a generous amount of this conditioner on damp hair and work through the tangles with a wide-toothed comb. As a regular rinse-out conditioner, apply it to wet hair after shampooing. Distribute evenly and rinse lightly. The number 3 position is held by Mixed Chicks Leave-In Conditioner. The Mixed Chicks Leave-In Conditioner is among the best black hair products. It hydrates hair, defines curls, and controls frizz. This leave-in contains jojoba oil that is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and non-toxic. It promotes healthy hair growth and maintains hair color. The evening primrose oil nourishes hair and strengthens the roots. The silk ingredients and keratin seal open cuticles. They also repair, replenish, and protect the hair from damage caused by natural aggressors or styling products. All hair textures become manageable and soften. This conditioner creates a layer to retain moisture. It makes curls and waves lustrous and glossy. The product is alcohol and cruelty-free. It is safe for color and chemically treated hair too. Next at number 4 we have SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. The SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner is a reparative product that controls frizz and detangles curly and kinky hair. This cream is great for people who regularly straighten, color, perm, or style their hair with heat. It is infused with shea butter and Jamaican black castor oil. This nourishing conditioner moisturizes hair and increases hair elasticity for all kinds of waves or natural styles. The SheaMoisture conditioner forms a protective layer on each hair follicle and covers split ends. The scalp is energized with tingling peppermint. This leave-in hair cream is formulated without sulfates, silicones, mineral oil, parabens, or phthalates. The cream is also cruelty-free. The number 5 position is held by Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Leave-In Conditioner. This lightweight spray leave-in conditioner for natural hair repairs hair damage caused by environmental aggressors or heat styling processes. The Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Leave-In Conditioner strengthens the hair strands and protects the hair from further damage. It contains no petroleum or artificial colors. It is made of organic products like aloe vera, shea butter, jojoba oil, cocoa seed butter, and almond milk. It offers nourishment to the hair and scalp. This product is formulated for naturally curly hair, whether kinky, coiled, or loose. This leave-in conditioner gives your hair a refreshing shine and bounce. It also is free of parabens, silicones, and mineral oil. The number 6 position is dominated by Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Envy Leave-In Conditioner. The Marc Anthony Strictly Curls R Leave-In Conditioner is a perfect product for all types of curls. It works as a great detangler for fine, thin, coarse, or thick hair. This sulfate-free conditioner controls frizz while sealing moisture and protecting damaged and weak hair. It also is a full-on hydrator and makes your hair easy to manage. It is blended with natural ingredients like shea butter for moisture and avocado oil and vitamin E for strength and volume. This leave-in conditioner provides nutrition and protection to your natural hair. It gives your curls a soft, bouncy feel with a glossy, natural-looking finish. It is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Design Essentials Kukui Coconut Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. The Design Essentials Kukui Coconut Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner intensely hydrates and reconditions extremely dry, brittle, and dull hair. It repairs the damage caused by excessive styling or environmental stressors. It prevents further hair breakage and makes the roots and hair strands stronger. The coconut and Kukui blend gives your hair the nutrition and moisture it needs. It leaves hair soft and supple. The natural sheen of your hair is restored with regular usage. This leave-in conditioner is formulated for all types of hair, including coarse, oily, normal, dry, or color-treated hair. The number 8 position is held by African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. The African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner leaves your hair detangled and easy to manage. It is enriched with natural ingredients. The coconut milk intensely hydrates the hair while African honey restores your hair's moisture levels and reduces frizz. The milk also detangles your hair. This lightweight conditioner defines your curls and softens your hair without the use of harsh chemicals. It contains no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, and petrolatum. It adds a refreshing natural shine to your locks. Next at number 9 we have Teigen Miracle Repairx Protective Leave-In Conditioner. This Teigen's leave-in conditioner is made with natural ingredients like coconut oil and black honey. These ingredients promote hair growth and reduce split ends. They restore hair moisture and make your hair soft and shinier. This conditioner is free from sulfates, parabens, petroleum, lanolin, and artificial colors. This lightweight alcohol-free leave-in conditioner defines your curls and makes your hair manageable. The Teigen leave-in conditioner seeps into the hair cuticles and gives them the maximum conditioning. It replenishes the hair's natural oils. It is a great chemical-free formula that repairs damaged hair and protects it from environmental or styling stressors. It also prevents split ends and reduces breakage. It leaves no buildup. The product is also cruelty-free. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Enzyme Leave-In Conditioner and Coconut Cowash Cleansing Conditioner. The best daily shampoo for black women's hair might not be shampoo at all, but Cowash. It's a step up from washing hair with only conditioner because it gently cleanses while it moisturizes. It makes for an excellent 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for black hair. This one might be a drugstore product, but it won a Best of Beauty award from Allure in 2017. It's from a company based in Illinois that donates $1 of every unit they sell to organizations like Black Lives Matter and the Knot. The set includes Cowash and leave-in conditioner that won't upset the natural balance of the scalp. The Cowash makes just a little lather to cleanse excess oil and styling product buildup. It never strips moisture from curls or the skin. Instead, it's packed with natural ingredients to strengthen each strand and stimulate hair growth, too. If you've never tried Cowash, here's how it works. First, wet your hair completely. Dispense a quarter-size amount and spread it across your hands before massaging it through the hair. Don't scrub. Instead, use a wide tooth comb to detangle before rinsing. For ultra-soft hair and extra shine, apply the leave-in conditioner while the hair is damp. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.